Update of the charge sheet being filed in the Darshan case as far as the charge sheet that details the role of actor Darshan and also actor Pavitra Gowda in the case, as charge sheet goes on to mention that how Pavitra, who was present during the crime when it was being committed, was furious when she saw the victim Renuka Swami and said to kill him and the people who were there. Darshan, who has been charge sheeted for murder, for conspiracy and for kidnapping. As far as when it comes to the investigative agency, that has been able to establish his role, what is being said through the various forms of evidences that has now been investigated on part of the agency. That is important to note as far as actor Darshan and his role that is now concerned with amount to the crime that has been committed. The victim here being Renuka Swami. We have Deepak with us right now. Deepak, the highlights of the charge sheet, please.
Well, the charge sheet right now has been submitted in the 24th ACMM court in Bengaluru. It's quite an extensive one, 7 volumes in total, 3,991 pages long. There are 231 witnesses. There are totally 10 files. And, the investigation, of course, was spearheaded by none other than the Commissioner of Bengaluru, along with the Additional Commissioner West, the DCP as well, and multiple other investigating officers. Darshan, at this point in time, remains as accused number 2. Pavitra Gowda is accused number 1 in the charge sheet. 17 people totally charge sheeted. Now the cops are saying that the investigation continues and they are likely to file another additional charge sheet as well in the matter. Some startling details, of course, could find a mention in the charge sheet. We'll be, of course, putting out more details as and when it does come in. But right now we've been told that, there is comprehensive circumstantial evidence, there is technical evidence and also forensic evidence that has been gathered in the case to nail Pavitra Gowda and Darshan, starting from CCTV footages, blood stains that were found on the clothes of Darshan, also a footwear of Pavitra Gowda as well. We've been told that Pavitra Gowda as well, even while she was at the spot where the crime was committed, she is even in a time where she was furious at Renuka Swami while he was in front of her, did instruct the people to kill her. That is where, of course, she is said to be one of the prime accused, and that's where she has been listed as A1 in the matter, where the cops believe that it was on her behest that the entire crime was committed. And apart from that, there is also, of course, Darshan's role in kidnapping, also in trying to protect the entire criminals in the case, including trying to use the power of money, his influence as well, to hide the crime. Apart from that, they are also going into details of multiple eyewitness accounts. Many of them, about 27 of them, have recorded their statement under section 164 of the CRPC, which would mean that they have recorded their statements in front of a magistrate as well. So it will make the case quite strong and watertight. It will make it extremely difficult for any of the accused to get bail. Pavitra Gowda, of course, attempted to get bail a couple of days ago. She was denied bail. We've seen the drama that has unfolded inside the prison as well, with allegations of VIP treatment and then eventually leading to the suspension of 9 prison officials. So this is quite a high-profile case, and it was a task cut out for the police, of course, to ensure that the investigation remains quite watertight, so that Darshan or any of the accused, for that matter, cannot get away that easily. At this point in time, all of the evidences have been put together, but the cops are saying the investigation is on. Another charge sheet could also likely be filed additionally along with this in a later period.
All right, but this is somewhere, as far as the investigative officials have tried to make a watertight case, as we are looking at this extensive charge sheet that has been filed in the Darshan case, which actually details out on the role that has been played by actor Darshan and Pavitra Gowda in the involvement that talks about when it comes to the murder, the kidnapping and the conspiracy behind Renuka Swami, who was the victim in the case, how the actor was also present, Pavitra, when she was apparently furious when she saw Renuka Swami and said to kill him, to the people who were there. Darshan, who has also been charge sheeted for murder, conspiracy and kidnapping angle. All of this that has been made part of this extensive charge sheet that has been filed, but the details that have been coming in are shocking. That remains to be seen how, when it comes to legally, the case progresses. Thank you very much for the moment, Deepak, for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a short break.